Hey guys, so today I have my Ipsy bag for the month of January, so let's see what's in here. So here is the bag for this month. It's just a light grayish blue and white stripes and pink details on it. So I'm going to be looking up all of the prices of all the items just so I can get an accurate worth of each product, and then at the end I will tell you what the total box was worth. So the first product in here is from Ouai, and this is their leave-in conditioner. So I've tried a few products from Ouai and I really like them, so I'm excited to try this. I always love leave-in conditioners because I have super dry hair. So this product, the value of it would be $4.64. Okay, next in here is a brush from Luxie. And this is the Luxie 1010 small contouring brush. So as we all know, I love Luxie brushes. This is no exception. I don't think they have these kind of brushes sold by themselves, or I don't know if they're even selling these ones anymore. They have like the little ergonomic grip, matte black, but this would retail for $16 compared to another contouring brush on their site, and this is obviously a full-size brush. Next in here is going to be from Kasca nail lacquer, and this is a velvet black matte. So here is the nail polish. I feel like my favorite matte nail polish would definitely be a black, so this is pretty cool. I'll have to try it out. And this retails for $8.53, and it is a full-size nail polish. And next in here is from Fluide, and this is a lip gloss, it looks like, in the shade Elsewhere. And this is just like slightly tinted blue, probably just to make your teeth look whiter or whatever. So I'm just gonna apply this over the lip liner I have on. So it feels really nice and moisturizing. It's not like sticky at all. It's more of like a hybrid of a lip gloss and a lip oil almost. So it feels really nice. And this is a full-size product that retails for $12. And the last thing in here is from Tarte, and this is the Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Full Coverage Foundation. I got mine in the shade Fair Sand. So let's see if this will match me first of all. That's important. Okay, so there it is. It's kind of yellow toned, but I think I'd be able to make it work. I'll have to try it out, but this is more of like a matte full coverage foundation, which I don't usually go for, so I'm not sure I'll be wearing this much, but I'll try it. So this size would retail for about $5.46. Okay, so going back through all of the products, first I have the nail polish. I really love nail polish. I have way too many nail polishes, honestly, but what's one more? So I will definitely be using this. The Ouai leave-in conditioner I will definitely be using as well. I love leave-in conditioners, and all of the Ouai products that I've tried have been really great. The brush, I love Luxie brushes, but I don't really contour very much, so I'm not sure how much I'll be using it, but maybe I can use it for something else, I don't know. The Fluide lip gloss in Elsewhere. I really like this. It feels really comfortable on the lips and not sticky, and just like nourishing, moisturizing gloss. Doesn't feel like it's gonna slide all over my face like a regular lip oil or anything. And it's not very sticky, so I will definitely have to try and see how long it wears for, but I really like it so far. And then the Tarte foundation. I feel like this is kind of the only product I wouldn't really like, just because I don't usually go towards matte full coverage products, but I will try it. So I feel like these other 4 items are definitely items that I like and would wear, most definitely. And then just the one foundation is kind of like a meh product for me. So I feel like this was a good month overall. 4 out of 5 products isn't bad. And the total value of this month's bag is going to be $46.63. So I feel like that's a good value. I definitely like the majority of the items. So let me know what you got in your Ipsy bag for the month of January, and I will see you in my next video.